guys, and we are back with our fourth Genius Hour this week. So I know we took a little break from it last week to make sure that we could take care of those career projects and have time to work on those presentations. But I do want to make sure that we keep the momentum going. So you started in week one with brainstorming about what would be worth your time to spend 1 hour every week and get credit for it for this class. It does not have to be about science. It does not have to be about forensics. This is something that you really are interested in and that you're going to enjoy spending your time on. So we're going to update that ideas list first. So I want you to go back and find your list from week one. You were supposed to make it in a Google Doc and we turned it in on Canvas. If you can't find your Google Doc, you can go back to that week one assignment where you submitted your brainstorm and you can view what you submitted the first time. I want you to add any new ideas that have come to you since then and cross out any ideas that you are no longer interested in. Then you're going to copy and paste it into this Google Doc. So you're going to add it here in the My Genius Hours idea box. Once you have your updated list, we are going to do like senior superlatives for your Genius Hour ideas to help you really think about which ones are going to be worth your time. And are going to have the most for you to work with. So I want you to look at which idea on your list is the most interesting to you, which are you the most passionate about, which would be the most impressive. Like if somebody saw your final project, like they're going to think that's super awesome. Which one is going to have the most to work on? So this is going to happen for many, many weeks. Make sure that it's a topic that you have a lot to go on, that it's not going to be done in 1 week and then you're like, well, now what? What is going to be the most meaningful to you? Which one has the most impact on other people? And then which one is going to have the most impact on you as a person? Which one is the most relevant? It could be relevant to your life, relevant to your career interests, relevant to what's going on in the world right now. Most relevant, I'm leaving pretty open. And then most practical. So I don't want you like spending too much time thinking about ideas that you don't have the equipment, the money, or the resources that you need. But don't limit yourself too much. This is just only one idea or one superlative for your idea to narrow it down a little bit. So ruling out some of the ones that are really going to overwhelm you later in the process. Once you have given these superlatives to your ideas, and you can repeat them. So like if all 9 of these are the same idea, that's totally fine. It's whatever you really think matches up from your list. But once you've gone through and given those superlatives, you're going to narrow down to your top idea contenders. So it should be something that is worth your time and that you will be able to make your learning or your process visible at some point. So I'm not setting an end date yet for this round of Genius Hour because we're going to see how things keep going. But you are going to have some sort of visual product, whether it's a presentation, whether it's something that you've created, something that you're going to do with the community, some sort of action. But you're going to be making your learning visible. So keep that in mind as you're going. If you're feeling really overwhelmed by this or really stumped, make sure you talk to me. I have office hours today from 12 to 2:15. We can chat about it real quick, or you can just shoot me a Canvas inbox message and I'll help you come up with some ideas that you're interested in or help you narrow down your ideas to your top contenders. If you just have one that is like, this is it, this is my idea, you can go ahead and have just one top contender today. But if you're not quite sure and you have a few that you're still interested in, you can have more than one in this box here. So then you're going to upload this assignment for today and you are done. So I hope you have a happy Wednesday. Please reach out if you have any questions.